6 months moved off around. So she help us. It's an old Otis. Let's go to. It's got new GAL fixtures. Whoa. Big bump. Look at this. This is just awesome. Got another one. And they got new GAL buttons too, look at that. This is a little bit bumpy, but yeah, so here's the old elevator. Here. On the lower level is a closed for set, so we can't get down there. Oh my god, there's that bump again. Come back to it. Bang, yeah. There's that bump again. Yeah, so like I said, my basement is currently closed because there's something on there. I see this new GAL panel too. So the buttons do not light up down to 1. Okay, because basement is currently closed because there are sets going on down there. There's a certain event going on here that I don't know what it's called, and this does not work anymore. I don't know what's that. It's got 2 cab lights. And none of them are even working. There it goes. Alright, that's it. Alright. We're at the Lincoln Square Mall, and there is there's the vintage elevator there. But we're not going to ride that. I'll show you something. The WCIA will be broadcasting here. As you see, it's set right there. And I hope the music can get a little quieter because I have to talk over it. Something happens to the elevator. Or to at least this elevator in particular. I'm trying not to show people. Here's the, I don't know what that is. It's with the common ground office. There's pass program. I don't know if there's another entrance in this place. Alright, so right through this door. Yep. It's been modernized by ThyssenKrupp. Mad buttons, by the way. A new panel. It got new brails and some new doors too. You know, this was definitely something very vintage. You can see this definitely was something very vintage. Oh wow, look at this. This is a full mod. It's got basements. Oh, look at this. They redid everything. They redid everything. This is look at this. A brand new cab. And then we've got a new stainless steel panel over here. Look at that. See? New interlocks. Actually, that is see? New interlocks and new doors. And the new collection, new door operator. A full mod. Honestly, this is a nice mod. This is great. Watch it go out. Yeah, this is a full mod. They redid everything. As you can see, the doorway's still original. Down in the basement. Yeah, but the old it might be something else. I'm not really sure. Because someone told me it was a Dover. These doors are big. Okay. Alright, let's go to 1 and ring the bell. I'm really sorry about these cuts, guys. I am getting my new camera in actually right now. Well, soon. To be more specific, this is a nice elevator. This is great. There's the brand certificate of inspection. Look at that. Brand certificate of inspection. There it goes. Danger fountain. That's it.